to me at 4 p.m.
It's not a loss until you sell.
Well, I'm not in it, so it's not. It doesn't matter to me, but I still think this thing can get up there if it can get back above 9 and hold it. I think once the bow range, if it gets above 9 and holds, it's going to, my guess is 11:30. But
Well, if it does get up to 11:30, I will be sure to short it. Although there probably won't be any shares left by then.
yeah, no, you're probably a little late to the show,
But
huh?
I ain't putting an order now and locking up money.
And $9
Something
is.
that
I mean, I like what it did in pre-market just now, where it bounced off that 9 and just died again, because that shows me that 9 is key. So, kind of gives me that little confirmation that Fibonacci line is pretty a good line in
accurate.
the sand. It's a good line in the sand.
Cross this, there's no turning back.
Now, I'm not saying if it hit 905, I'd buy it, because I wouldn't. I would want to see it get above 9, hold it, and then I would debate buying.
So a whole bunch of conditions to this trade, huh?
Conditions to every trade, bro.
Not my world. I'm in. What are we doing?
Where's it at? Every trade Steve takes. I'm in. What's it at? Where's VWAP?
I seriously need to take time to figure out how to put that on my chart here because I just don't have it.
You could definitely put it on your chart.
I'm sure that I could. I just gotta actually do it, and I never think about it until I'm in the middle of a trade. Like, oh, it really would be helpful if I had VWAP here, wouldn't it?
I would kind of like to know where that is.
That's an important line for some reason.
But don't you have other lines? Because I hear you say, like, oh, there's the 50 every once in a while, so you have something on there.
I have the 50 and the 9. On my computer, I've got the VWAP 59 and 200.
Should just be able to go to.
I should be able to just add that to the chart. It should be there.
It'll take 2 seconds.
Yeah, you're not wrong.
Do it right now and be ready for the market. You get 10 minutes. Find VWAP.
Let's take a look and see what we can do here. Let's go onto a chart. Settings. Add study.
There you go. Type in VWAP and put it on.
VWAP. Let's make it a nice pink color.
Hey, mine's pink too.
Chart study VWAP is saved.
What's going on, everybody? Tuesday morning. Tim here, Volatility Trading. Hope you all are having a good one. See if we can't find some good stuff today, shall we?
All right, Devin. I don't need you anymore.
All right.
Yeah, that'll
I'm
be
gonna try something today.
I won't call anything out.
That'll be the day.
I'm going to start trading differently. I will get in trades and tell you guys after I'm out.
All right, so we're going to call you Luke.
Call me Luke.
Ross. Who should we call you?
Ross.
That ain't Devin.
Oh, Ross doesn't say when he's getting out. Ross is such a fun dude. I've listened to some of that dude's live trades and I'm like, wow, that was shady.
Who, Ross?
Say, have you ever noticed he'll do this? He'll say, like, let's say he's watching something and kind of curling back up. He's like, I'm looking to buy this over 9. Looking to buy this over 9. And then he's like, it'll jump over, like, up towards 9. He's like, okay, in it 875 for that break of 9. And I'm like, but you said you were looking to buy over 9. So, like, he's still front loading it, basically. He's even saying it.
Yeah. So when it does get there, he knows all those other guys are gonna be pushing it up. Yeah.
They're gonna buy over 9 like he initially said, and he's in at 875. So he's already got 25 cents in the game before all of his trading monkeys pump it up.
Well, he needs buyers to unload it to.
Exactly. I'm just saying, he literally calls out that he's front loading. He doesn't even hide it, and these people just don't see it somehow.
It's because they're all they see is his P&L at the end of the day.
Yeah, he made $80,000 today. Yeah, how much of that was your money?
Does he show his entries and exits ever, or just the P&L?
I've never actually seen him show entries.
He's never, yeah, he's never once actually shown arrows on a chart, but he used to show his trade log, so you could see where the entries were.
But does he not do that anymore?
I don't know. I haven't watched him in forever.
Yeah, I've never seen him have arrows on the chart for sure. But there's a lot of them like that. Like, I've never seen Mike show arrows on the chart.
Yeah, me neither. And you never have seen his trade log either. It's always just what he types in the chat.
Yeah, he's always like, hold on, let me check where. Yeah, it was here at 8:55. You know, and I'm like, okay. Well, that's evidence. Yeah, man. I mean, like when you're posting a chart and there's an arrow here and a sell over here, there's no hiding it. You know, this is where I got in, this is where I got out. It's done.
Yep.
Amazon
And then being able to show that it was under your margin account, even if you only show the first number of your realized, like that's all you need. And now you can even make it something else so your account number doesn't even show. Like mine says volatility on it. So it's like, yeah.
I can trade the CME number to whatever I want.
Yep.
Oh, that's kind of cool. How do you do that?
Now you're gonna make me try to remember.
Don't worry about it. I don't need to do it, dude.
I'm pretty sure it's easy.
Let me see if
I just have to.
No problem. Take care.
I found it.
No, that's it.
It's setup and then trading settings.
Setup, trading settings.
And then bottom right where it is.
Yeah, just type in whatever you want.
Well, yeah, highlight the main account and then type in where it says account alias.
You gotta type in guru.
And then hit save, obviously.
I'm not gonna do it, but that's kind of a good idea though, because then you know if you do ever show it, you're not showing your.
Well, that's what it's literally for. It's for like I'm pretty. Yeah, so it's DOS's way of combating the gurus, the fakos.
Yeah, because now you don't have to show your account number.
Right. They're basically saying, look, we gave them the option. Like, they don't have to show you anything. They can literally just show you a random name, but you can still see its own margin.
I can literally make it boobies.
Right. So now, if it goes to the extent of, I just don't want to show you, then obviously you can be like, okay, well, you're bullshit.
Hold on, guys. I got a puppy.
Hey, Tim. Did I miss...
Hey, Steve.
The intro music? Did I miss the intro music?
Oh, yeah, hold on. I gotta mute YouTube, though. Hey, guys, if you want to hear some good old intro music, feel free. I'm gonna just mute inside here just for a second. If you guys want the pop-up music, you gotta come in the Discord. Morning, Thomas. We getting pumped. We getting pumped. Both. Is this just like the instrumental version? It is. What the heck? I just realized it. Yeah. So I had to start it over so that we could actually have words. Sorry. You must have the rhythm thing muted, I guess. Everybody say, yo. By design. No, no. We finishing it, baby. I don't. They can wait. Had to finish this anyway. Yeah, kinda. Alright. Back on YouTube. Morning, Thomas. Do you find 2-minute interval better for day trading, short, long, or both? Or you just got used to it compared to the 1 minute? So the reason I don't use the 1 minute is because of the noise. You can get shaken out a lot easier staring at the 1 minute. So the 2 minute kind of gets rid of that noise a little bit. Watching KOPN.
Looking for 4.20-ish.
Short from that one, is it flying?
SLGG as well. It's not flying now. I was just seeing if it wanted to break 12. SLGG is kind of moving pretty good.
JCS.
Yeah, I can't trade that one. That's the one about to rotate its foot too.
CHFS. It's now low floater.
CHFS $$ on way. Nice one.
Yeah.
JCS going down.
Had a nice pop there though after that dip.
Oh, we had short on that, dude. I didn't even realize that. Well.
It's a 3 mil float.
Oh, is it really that low?
That's what it says for me. Rocket's getting ready to try to go.
That's what just went.
Hey, how are you? Where you guys going?
To work.
Done with this winter?
We have jobs.
Did I actually? Okay, I did. I don't think I actually saved it though. I have to be careful with that. Just be different tickers, but. SOS and Rocket trying to go.
Watching AMRS.
Out all CHFS. VUZI up.
That was the other one, VUZI. I was like, I saw another one. I couldn't remember what it was that quick. Rocket. Dang. I was hoping that would try 2950 area before that pullback, but darn. Nothing really got like too extended. Got VUZI up as well. Nothing's like giving me that extra push. Rocket, I wanted 2950. Didn't get there. That was crap. I was ready to play that one. That would have worked. SOS, I wanted through 850. Didn't go through.
Hurry up.
Perry right off the scanner. Got PERI up as well. Belly.
TLRY.
Tilray.
DBL check earnings Perry.
What's that? JCS. Back up to the moon. Loader in the house. What the hell is the dog doing?
Man, I'm like missing everything. It's like split second misses. It's like I can't pull them up quick enough. It was like everything kind of happened all at once there, so I ended up missing most of it.
TLRY $. Hoo-hoo, at David. Not seeing any earnings on my chart, repairing.
I'm muted. Do you guys hear me?
Too late now anyways.
It was like if I would have just pulled the trigger on like any of those, they all worked. Just didn't. It's the low float, right? Yeah.
MCRB earnings there.
I can't even believe I just pulled this chart up. I don't even know why I pulled this chart up.
Did you win it?
No. There was another one that popped up on the scanner. I saw it. As I was typing it, I was like, I don't even know why I'm pulling this chart up, but yet I did it anyway. And it looks extended, but I immediately took it off. Like, I'm not looking at you, Mr. Chart. Any guesses to what it was?
Twitter.
No, the other one.
The other one is, I can't remember that. Snap.
Yep.
Snap.
GME and the basket are trying at the moment.
I'm supposed to do basket.
Just saying, that way I don't have to be like GME, AMC, KOSS. Like at this point, you know which ones.
VUZI.
By that I mean I'm sick of those stocks being the ones that are moving.
Oh, right. VUZI actually broke.
NBC looks like they ain't doing nothing.
Chased back in CHFS.
RKT.
Carrot YOLO long.
RKT is gonna be the grinder.
VUZI $. On way.
What is
GTRE
CHFS
up.
doing that I have not looked at it yet? Not that either. Morning's starting about how I thought it would.
AMRS earnings FYI.
I didn't realize how grindy looking this was. Kind of chased it down there a little bit too.
APHA.
IGC pretty close.
Push up.
Carrot.
See, we'll give this one chance if it wants to try to go higher, but
What's he in bed? What's he in Devon?
Nada.
Oh, I thought you heard you say push up.
I said APHA pushed up.
Although Nada is actually is a ticker, but it's a pink sheet.
I can't see it.
You're not missing much.
KOPN. That was a short, bro.
AMRS.
Didn't really give you your push down, huh? MIK is pushing.
AMRS.
I don't really like the feel of MNK, dude. For sure.
That looks grindy.
It does look grindy. FSR up and all the way back down. My trade is not
Earnings
here
there
yet,
in
guys.
case you missed it.
Say JCS is a 3 mil flow.
Def did.
Apparently AMRS's earnings. Probably gonna get out of that first chance I get.
AMRS.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm not sure what's on that one too. But a little breakout on the daily too. Is this all-time highs on her?
I have no idea.
No. I might give that one a watch. Just screw with that one. Trade. You got CHFS.
CHFS on dibs. Hopefully nobody fighting that
Man, that's
SS.
gotta be freaking cautious. AMRS gave you a pullback though.
Yeah. And then that missed me by barely.
I can't read the freaking daily chart on CHFS.
SLGG up. Miss so far. Got it here.
This thing just keeps barely missing me. It's kind of annoying. Literally by 3 cents that last time. SLG.
You call that one slug?
Yeah.
Say it again.
SLG? Is it SLG?
SLGG, 2 G's. Sorry.
Oh, that's not good. No, shorts on it, man. Looks like it's room up to like 480, 190. My trade has not arrived.
About to, if it fills me. Yep, just filled me.
TLRY on the bonus round.
Anything happen?
No, not really.
NBC is trying to push back up, and it's from the bottom.
Just got to fill on SLGG. Trying to get out of VUZI. I was been in this one. It's grinding me. Should have been out of this already, but stupid $half being as close as it was, I gave it a shot and I blew through it. So
Well, that one never really gave you the big push.
nah.
Watching but needs speed.
It's kind of grinding, huh?
Yeah, I got in on that pop through 25 and I kind of chased it down, and then it didn't really give me a drop, and it's been grinding since. I'm just trying to get out, pretty much break even, not trying to be greedy. That's basically, when I get into these, I just try to get out, break even, see if it gives me a shot. Just need
Your average like 26 or something?
41.
Oof, that's not bad. So you added at the top?
Yeah. So I just need that 50 break, and I should be good if we can get it. Oh, 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 yep, there we go. All right, I'm filled there. Basically, I just took a break even just to be safe there.
Get the hell out of it.
Yep.
I haven't found my trade, bro. So I'm just sitting on my hands.
Cashed up ATM.
And NBC is pushing. See that
Go
up
back
there.
behind.
The best is on off.
See the patience I exercised there on that ad on VUZI, though?
Should have shorted JCS.
It's kind of crazy, not going to lie. Usually I am not that patient.
JCS.
But I wish I would have went doubled up. But my thought process there, you saw me put the shares in to double up, and I was going to if it went through 26. But my thought process was I'll get half of it and then half if it goes through. And I was not going to be greedy. You can see what it's doing now. I was not about to try to get greedy. I got stuck in a grinder, and I don't want to be in a grinder. So
Ooh, NBC, what you doing, girl?
that thing's rotated its float 4 times already.
You getting cracked, bro.
Out all
Where's the
IGC.
big sell-off? You on that one? Oh, is that the
Which
you
one?
took off?
Which
Is
one?
that the one you took
Yeah,
off?
yeah.
VUZI?
Yeah, I took it off at 25.38. That was a pretty big drop. I can't really assume it's going to continue, and it was grinding, so I wasn't about to be greedy with it.
Nah, I feel ya.
That's when I get myself burned.
TLRY leftovers on a trail.
What's the SPY doing?
Dumping.
Selling off. Of course. Wah, wah, wah. I was telling the guys earlier, I'm like, if the SPY sells off, we're gonna have another crap day. Like if we see it pop through, say above 390, move higher, it'll be a decent day. Nope.
Yeah, IGC would have been a good one. I think I was in 3 trades at the time when IGC happened, though, so. I was like,
Doing way better than I am today, dude.
Watching E-Man, E-M-A-N. See if that wants to pop through pre-market highs there, 520.
No shorts. I had to wait for my trade, man. This is when FOMO starts starts kicking in when I'm hearing other people getting trades and I'm not, and then I'm like, I gotta fight the trade.
And NVC about to rotate 5 times.
Easy, bro.
Ooh, and it got slammed.
I can't be interested in that until it gets over 9 and holds, so nothing for me down here. That would be my plan. AMRS.
IGC was a miss. Definitely could have got that one. SLGG was a good one.
Oh, that got slizzammed, dude.
AMRS, we started that one kind of small, but I wasn't a huge fan of the move.
WWF style off the ropes.
Plus, it really wasn't giving us a good pullback either. It kept fighting to go higher, but
Well,
ended up
cool.
gave us half of that extension, which I guess is what we're looking for. But I think when I double clicked down here towards 18,
What did DK and G end up
which would
doing
make
with
sense,
that?
right? Because I got about half of that.
Okay. In my case, still trying to go up.
Morning, Augustine. Good morning, Goose. Hey guys, 20 of you in here. Only 2 likes or 3, whatever it is. Come on, you can do better than that. You guys can do better than that. I appreciate y'all being here, though. Seriously, I do. If you guys have any questions throughout, feel free. If you guys want to jump in the Discord, feel free. Not necessarily taking it easy today, but I want to be green today. We're on a bit of a crap streak. Let me look at my calendar here. Where's the calendar? There it is. Where's my... Oh, I'm going to march in there. So Monday, Tuesday of last week were crap days, down about 1Q each. Got close to making 1Q Wednesday, and then just crap days on Thursday and Friday, and then a crap day yesterday. So just last week and a half has been very meh. So just looking to have a solid day today.
Not so hard of a day for me.
RKT trying again. It's just the float on that is just so big. It's so hard to trade. Well, a big move off the bottom. Dang.
Wish I would have been in there.
Tilray on bananas.
I'm here. What's up?
This guy.
I'm just doing house crap stuff, so
House crap stuff.
exactly.
Crapping in the house.
I did that earlier.
Is this AVXL doing? SNDL actually making a decent move. Rocket, rocket.
1.20s, please.
See if she can rock it.
actually trade this? I mean, look at all this volume it gets and it just doesn't do anything.
APHA, I like it.
Am I about to chase this? Yep.
Alright, I just took it all off for a small win because it wouldn't fill me at the top. That was fun. As you called them, hanging orders. I had a hanging order.
Those are never fun.
Yeah, if we can click the button, then it just hung on. And then I took it off because that made me nervous. So, sure. That sucks. I had like $60 in it, and I ended up getting out for what, like 25 or something? That sucks. Not even 25, dude. It was $15. That sucks.
Just realized the 9 kind of caught up to that. Give it a chance. Not going to be a big winner here. If it does work. Gotta get through 85. We should get a nice little push down.
Screw this rocket.
SLGG trying again? Wow. SLGG back to the highs.
FSR back to highs.
This thing does not want to push down. This is either going to work or we're going to stop out probably at the highs. There it goes. It's got to get through 85. There we go. It's getting bought right back up. Tilray is grinding at this point. No, thank you.
Need to start trading like Steve, man.
Hold the trade.
Alright, gonna take that off.
No,
Huge.
always getting lucky and getting out of trades for big wins.
Oh,
I don't think holding rocket, but maybe, I don't know.
I got in SLGG at 427. Let's see where that goes.
One more little push.
What you invest?
I was in APHA, but I'm out. I took it off. I'm watching huge HUGE. Probably not gonna tickle your fancy.
That sounds huge.
It's definitely not for you.
Not huge.
I was really just the price and range. Was hoping to see it push to 250, yeah, but it's not. It kind of just stalled here. You little fucker. Looked like a complete fake out breakout, and then it completely faked me out.
Well, this isn't where I want to be.
Looked like it was about to flush, and then it was like, eh. Caught me right at the bottom of that candle. That's what I get for revenge trading, huh? Still looking to stop out of this at high of day, so I want to manually hit it, just so I don't get the slippage.
I'm in a boredom trade, but it's actually working.
That must be nice.
I'd add it too. I'm in Mick short. I mean, I kind of viewed this as a scalp. But get it pushed down. Should have some room. Get back down to 1810.
TLRY stalking it. Carrot.
Gotta take that. I'm out. Alright, that was actually a decent win.
There you go.
It's actually a pretty peaceful trade.
Bash you back in slug?
No.
Okay.
Were you in slug earlier?
Yep.
Oh yeah. Yeah, I remember. Oh, should have held on to some of this, man. That was a decent win though. Oh yeah, man. Back to green. Did I ever post my rocket trade? Nah, post it later.
No. Oh, it's a stop. Shit.
I'll post it now. It was different. I got to start out the day $25 in the hole. Oh, I really should have some Mick.
FLNT up, but looking for speed there.
Come on, give us that flush. There we go. There we go.
What are you in now, man?
APHA. Took half off break even there. Wish I would have put the order out. It would have worked. There we go. Trying to see if we can actually get a flush through 280 here.
Oh, Mick.
Wish I would have held that. Could have had a much better cover there.
APHA taking all.
About to do the same.
STLRY.
Just put a stop at the highs. See if we can't get this retest down here. One or the other. Yalla trying something. SLGG working for you, Steve.
So far, gotta get
Y'all
the
up.
VWAP and then flush under 4. That makes me happy.
Yes.
Start. Yeah, I got the VWAP line up now. Look at me.
Y'all
Yeah,
heard.
Jay, looks like it's about to work for you.
Devin yelled at me, said, get your own damn VWAP line.
Y'all needs bigger. Pigco.
Yo. I just
He was
suggested.
gonna start,
Keeps trying to find support here.
Pigco.
he was gonna start charging me for every VWAP question.
There we go, there we go. Get through 80. There we go. Come on. There we go. Alright, we're just gonna take it there.
Huge dollar.
Did we miss huge? I thought that didn't actually do anything.
4 flush.
Oh yeah, we wanted more out of it.
APHA dollar.
Not my prettiest trades there on APHA, but ended up green on the ticker, so can't complain. Not my prettiest trade
Like
by any means.
What about that?
APHA.
All out.
Yeah. That thing just fought to come back down. It was ridiculous. The first move I got out, I shouldn't even have got back in, but it looked like a fake out breakout. So I jumped back in and then it faked out the fake out. But yeah. I let it go high of day just to see what, because it was kind of grinding up there, and then I actually added, and then we finally got the pullback.
Technical term?
You hit the fake out of the fake out? The fake out, fake out?
Fake out.
It definitely faked out the fake out.
Fake out. Terrible fake out.
Not sure what to do with this Yala.
You mentioned that one yesterday. I think I gotta quit trading Mick. I'm not gonna watch that anymore. I could bust through all this, but I don't know. Yalla. I've got shorts on Yalla. That's off the bottom. That's a bunch of stuff I don't like. Those are hard for me to long too.
Good of you.
It's off the bottomers.
Thank you. Have a great day.
Alright,
That's what we needed. That's what we needed. There we go.
Sorry.
But it feels so standoffish because of the way the market's been. I feel as confident as they normally do.
Oh my god. Oh, limited close? Okay. Alright. I think I almost pulled another stupid move.
I mean, it wouldn't surprise me.
I thought I added a 4 instead of covering.
You would never pull a stupid move. What are you talking about?
I mean, stupid, Steve, both start with S. I mean, come on.
I thought about changing your name in the room.
Hold the trade, stupid.
Stupid Steve. I don't know.
Stupid Steve. The SS day trader.
And he does short sale a lot too, so it works.
Yeah. Got all kind of SS's in here.
I did it right. I'm all out. Tim, thanks.
Yay! Good job, Steve. Nice trade. I'm not a big pop back up to the high of day, get in for the double top kind of guy.
Oh, is that what I did?
Isn't it?
Of course. That was exactly my technical plan.
That's what I meant to do.
APHA gave us that drop. Jerk.
Huge all done too. Cashzilla.
Hey, I'm a little skeptical today.
Hoo-hoo. At David.
God, my biggest trade is MIK at what it was. Not the best. Could be over Goldberg this time.
My NNBC trade looks silly at this point, doesn't it?
Probably.
Shorted at 915, covered at 858.
No, it's $7.
Yeah.
Yeah, it doesn't look good. Right now it's at $6, I mean. Sorry.
Well, I mean, there was some guru out there that called it for over 10.
I know. That was lucky. I called it for over 11. That was even dumber than lucky.
Some guy with 3 letters in his name, all the same.
I didn't call it for over 10, so I don't know.
I heard you say it.
I called it for over 11.
11:30, if I recall correctly.
That was the number. That was the number that I thought I could get to. Didn't get there. But I also said I wouldn't take it unless it was over 9. I said I wouldn't take it unless it was over 9 and never got over 9, so I never said it. So I was right. I was stupid on MIK. Freaking A, I was under the top of this. That's over $1. That big drop, I had to take it. Sloppy seconds are hard to take too sometimes.
You got to buck up and deal with it.
That would work. Decent share size in that too, so. Buy this dropping or something?
Always worried about your spy.
Because that's gonna change the market, man. I can't have a lot of faith in these longs until that spy really shows me something.
Huge VUZI lock and trails. Otherwise cash
Especially
tastic.
on like main stocks like FSR and AMRS, full cap companies.
Dollar bill y'alls.
The big stocks, the real stocks.
They're hard to trade right now, dude. This may be up, maybe down territory.
Super league gaming gurus. That's the stock to trade.
Whose bad memories can get crazy.
Oh, this JCS giving me some money today.
Who's have to play it?
GOOS? The heck is that thing doing?
Carrot big company.
This news. That's a real stock, Feshy.
Yeah, I'm not playing that. What is it? What's the stock?
It's Canada Goose. It's a big Canadian company. I don't remember what they do, but they're legit.
Oh, that's the one. That's the one that does all the down jackets.
Canucks.
Is that what they do?
Believe so. Either that or they sell Snapple.
I always hear Barry used to talk about it a lot.
Steve's such a jerk. I love it.
They are kind of curious, actually.
Come on, Tim, you're so proud.
I am. I am.
This is one of those few moments that I'm really kind of curious. Like, what do they do?
brought a tear to his eye.
It put a huge smile on my face. I will say that.
I think he's right. It's apparel manufacturing.
Yeah, something the Vegas people wouldn't know anything about.
Yeah, true that.
What's it
I
down,
told
Jeff?
Devin, I
I'm
told
down
Devin
with
this morning
jackets.
it's 15 degrees. I told him this morning it was 15 degrees. He's like, yeah, I had to put my AC on yesterday.
Get down for jackets.
Isn't everybody down with jackets, man? When it's cold out, they're really cool.
Devin's like, it's kind of cold out. Let me put my fleece on.
I know Moody's
He
cool
put
with
on
that
a
hoodie.
sweater, sweater vest.
Let me put on my light sweater hoodie vest thing.
Whose backside
That's
in?
what we go
My
for in
members
Vegas.
only
We go for
jacket.
hoodies.
His members only jacket.
Hey, don't make fun of that. That was my dad. The goose to the moon.
Hey, it's cold outside. Why not?
Yeah, right. They're like, we're making a lot more money this year.
5 trades, right?
Okay, is it me or is the whole market just doing the same exact frickin' thing?
1,
FSR, RKT, and AMRS.
2 on
all are
APHA, so
the
that's
identical
3,
chart.
4, and then you have
I'm
VUZI.
going to assume this buys and look just like these. Pretty close. Buys even shoppier looking. ATXI. Oh, ATXI, that's trying to squeeze, bro. Maybe I should squeeze?
Yep.
No volume, but
Yeah, no volume.
starting the squeezy vibe.
ATXI stalking it.
That's looking like she gonna squeeze.
Excuse me. Hey, we got up to 10 likes. Yeah, yeah.
Push over to 7. I would actually
Goose,
probably
yeah.
find these ones just like volume.
Hello from France. Hey. Buongiorno. Or no, that's Italian. Bonjour. Gotta get rid of the O. Comment allez-vous? You get too busy chasing SOS. That's okay. You can get the like in whenever you can. I appreciate it. I really do. It just helps, you know. It is a passive income. Like if people watch my other videos, I don't really think you get too much from the streams themselves. But the more you guys like it, the more people might, you know, come along watching this ATXI here. Get the quick dump to that supply pull down there at 684. Oh, it missed us by a penny. Did you see that? It was 86. 86 again? Oh, you gotta be kidding me.
Anybody else jumping this?
Who's
I
dollar
did.
dollar?
I did.
I didn't. What is it?
It kept missing. Oh, I would have got the fill there. I had my order at 85 and it kept going to 86 and popping. I took it off there at 80, or I ended up getting filled at 90.
Someone, I took a half.
Yeah, I'll just look. I got half the move there. No, I'm not gonna complain. I mean, that obviously could go straight back down. ATXI. Okay, break 80.
That was fun, guys.
Do it.
There we go.
There you go. Nice.
Ah,
That's what I'm saying. It was kind of jumpy. It kept missing my order too. It was very frustrating. Oh, there it goes. Somebody tried to buy it up and it got stuffed. Oh, I was short. This thing is getting spready.
jumpy, bro. I'm gonna take
Oh,
off a little bit more.
there you
than
go.
my leftovers on. And that was a decent trade. I almost got the top, dude.
ATXI dollar bill y'all.
Yeah, I pretty much did get the top. What did I get for this? I got 720.
Money mouth face, money mouth face.
Could have been a little more aggressive with my take profit there, but
Could have been a little more aggressive with my sizing, but I was kind of hoping it would almost go a little bit higher.
that was kind of what I meant. Was with the, because I knew I wanted to take profit where I did, but I had a feeling it could go higher, so I wanted to give it room, but ended up being the top. So
that's one of the few that I would take with this low of volume, just because it was so clearly just fucking squeezing a little bit. Come on, let's get a drop here. Give me one.
and you're at VWAP, shit. It came literally straight down from the highs.
Wow, dude, it keeps getting bought up though.
Oh, look at the move it made. It grinded. That's where the move started, right where it just bounced off of.
Yeah.
I mean, what are you looking for a low a day here, or what are you looking for? What break? Break a what?
Break a VWAP.
Oh, okay.
Breaks VWAP. Probably going
That's-
back down here to $6.
Yeah, that's gonna be a tough one though. It's right at the $50.
I don't know. I'm just on my leftovers, dude. I'll get out of radiate.
It's like speaking of what?
You just sent me a PM asking if I'm here.
Who's dollar on way?
What?
That's all that's left for me at moment.
Screenshot it.
Oh, I just top ticked my exit. That's funny.
Good morning, Sammy. I always forget to put like if you don't tell us and you deserve it. Yeah, I as I was explaining it is a passive income. So I mean, any bit helps. So if you guys liking the stream can lead others to see it and they're recommended, then possibly they go and watch some of the other videos, and just that's all. I'm not gonna beg for it, but you know, obviously any help is appreciated.
I should have let my leftovers go. I think it's probably back down to split.
I'm about to probably take it off if it goes through 7.
Yeah, I had 688 level, so it's just like, if it gets put up there, I'll cut it. And I did.
Hoo at B1.
I got wrecked on JCS this morning, so I'm spectating for today. Do you mostly short stocks? I do. I'm very short biased. Sorry, Cody. I just noticed I skipped you. I like you too, LA. I think I skipped you guys by accident because I started explaining the whole like button ordeal. What is this ASRT doing?
Out all goes. ATXI leftovers stopped.
Take you out there?
No, I was at 703.
I was gonna say, should we do a little scalpy scalp, but it's all good. It's probably not gonna go through this area. A little battle going on right here. If it blows up through 120, it's kind of what we're looking for. Put an order out right here. See what happens. If it gets through 120. See if we can get a spike up there and then a drop back down.
Yeah, no, all AR was my first day.
Yeah, I almost debated on clicking it twice as it came back down to me. So I would have had 800 shares, which would have been way better.
It's getting slow. Actually brought a salad, one of those little mini salads from Sam's Club. Like, not pre-made, but it has everything inside of it. It's kind of a small one, but I need to chill. The last 2 days haven't been too good as far as eating. Kind of overate a little bit. Get back on track. It's freezing outside, but it's actually dry for the most part today. I was thinking about possibly going for a walk. I don't really have a heavy jacket though, so we'll see how chilly it is.
Used to 50 down to 47.
If it gets to 115 here, this is dead to me.
So was that ATXI, alerting on your scanners, or was that too low volume?
No, it did. I traded it. That's why. That's why I traded it.
So you don't have like a volume level on that? It'll show you what
500. Yeah, you can have it set to show you everything, but mine's set to a minimum of 500. So like sometimes you tell me there's ones that are like 200, and those don't pop up. Nice, Thomas. About time it didn't stop you out before it started to actually die.
Yep, about to put a 20-cent trail on it.
Ooh, so spready for a $6 stock though. Crazy.
Yeah, it keeps it more spready. Doesn't have a lot of volume though, really.
Yeah, just past a million.
Aries trying to go up higher.
KOSS just made a big spike.
I don't want to look at this.
Oh, the basket.
Hate the basket. AMC made a spike, GME spike. How do they all trade at the same time? That's what I want to know.
Algos, brother.
Is it August?
Yeah,
One of them starts moving and they start playing the other one?
Those are all algos at this point.
It's not even traders anymore.
I'm sure traders are mixed in, but obviously. But
Yeah,
it's 100% algos. Yeah, like if you ever watch like VIXI and all those, like SQQQ and stuff, like if you put those up next to the SPY, they're literally trading like the same. So it's like whatever the SPY does, the other ones are doing the exact same thing. Some of them are obviously the opposite, but like how is it doing that? It's because they're algos.
The algos are just stalking the one and trading the other ones.
Yep.
Correlation. I was listening to, I think I sent you that guy that I found that I like, that Fit Traders. I like him because his market analysis is really good.
Yeah, I think was about to unsubscribe from him just because I don't really care about all that stuff.
No, I know. I just like to see what he's
Yeah.
his viewpoint on the market is. You know, like this. Because he's been spot on, dude. Like, literally, that guy's market analysis is amazing. And he was saying, like, yesterday how he was watching the SPY and it was just algo trading all day. So you could tell just by the way it was trading that it was algos trading the SPY up all day long.
All right. Nope. I just hope Thomas is still holding that thing. That thing's going back home. Gotcha. Is that GMOGTT? The range on this is crap.
Traded your plan, man.
How
GDT
does this
2.30 plus would be interested.
have so much volume? I guess that's not too bad. Yeah, it's just when you zoom out, you had those big candles from yesterday.
Keep an AMRS up. I think actually might still run.
Kind of like I just mentioned, Augustine, where you see multiple stocks kind of trading the same. So like if we take GME, like if we zoom in so you can actually see the chart, and then let's try COS. Like look at it. It's almost the same chart, right? Just different tickers. GME, KOSS, AMC is probably, yeah, that's a little different, but and that's kind of why they call them basket stocks, because usually what one's doing the other is, and you have to find the one that's kind of leading the way. And if you put those next to each other, you'll see that they're kind of trading very similar. So do you really think people can have GME up, have orders ready, so that every single time GME makes like a quick pop up or a quick pop down, somebody on the other side with the right amount of shares is making it do the exact same thing on that chart? It's algos, man. Itchy.
There you go, man. ATXI. We're back home.
Dang, ATXI making me look stupid.
Give me both. Sink it back down to like 550. ATXI. Could have added in up here at 699. Oof. Vomit.
NOVN around 2 would be fantastic. Carry.
Watching
fantastic
NOVN.
You are fantastic.
OVN.
Yeah, it's not for you. There's really nothing else happening at the moment. I'm looking for that to get up towards 2.
You know me oh so well.
Are
mean,
you
the-
fantastic, Tim?
The 2 tickers I have up are that and GTT. So that just goes to show you how I feel the market's going right now.
That and GTT.
Yeah. Isn't it crazy, Thomas, to see where you're at and you were so close to getting stopped out all the way up there at 7?
On which one?
ATXI.
You. All out of ATXI.
What was your final take profit?
It's funny. I had it at 25 was my stop. It killed me at 29.
Of course.
And I sat here and watched. The ass was at 29, and then the bid finally came up to 25, stopped me out, and gave me 29.
All right, guys. I have to run. Sorry about that. I am needed elsewhere. So I will be back and I will trade later. So if you guys want to kind of keep up and join along, feel free to join the Discord. Links down in the description below. You can see it right above my head. But yeah, sorry, got to run, and I will see you guys tomorrow morning. Peace.